proprietor, single businessman operation. I will be doing end of the month things today, a lot of financial stuff that I have to finish up because it's August 31st. The other day I was using this computer here, which is my main computer, and I was running Adobe Premiere to do a little video editing, and it crashed, which it does often, especially if I take an audio file and try to drag it right onto the timeline from a file window. And so I just sat there and waited for it to reset, which sometimes it does, and it's very happy, but I still close it out and start it up again because something's unstable. And typically when a program crashes like that, I look at the computer to see how long it's been up. How long has this computer been running but since it last reset? So you can find this out if you have, excuse me, you can find out how long the computer's been up if you, like me, keep a Linux terminal window open, and I can type in the uptime command, which is UPTIM, all one word, TIME, uptime. And then I can see that this computer has been up for 18 consecutive days, which is good for a PC. In the old days, I used to have to reset them every week or so, or sometimes even quicker than that. If I go to the Settings app, I can check Windows Update and see if an update is pending. And there's an update preview that I can download. And that was a notice that popped up. Anyway, there's a preview. The thing is, I like to keep the systems up. In fact, that back there, you can't see it, but there's a Linux terminal back there that's been up for 69 days. Nice. And so, since there's a pending update, a cumulative update for Windows, I'll go ahead and restart the computer, which should stabilize things. But this has always been a pain because on my main computer, I have 3 different desktops that I shift between. And so I keep a different project in each desktop, and it can become a real pain to have to, because everything's configured with all these windows up where I want to put them. And it can be a real pain to have to restart everything. But like I said, program crashed. Good thing to do there is to restart the computer. There's your tip for the day, your Windows troubleshooting tip, which I hope you're having a better Windows day than I am. Again, it's the end of the month. Now I got financial crap to do, and I'll be tackling some of that stuff today as well as doing my other duties. Hope you have a good one.